Hey everybody, Jamie at MASC. Welcome to another MASC Minute. Today I'm going to show you Malin+Goetz's newest product. It's their retinol correcting serum, this guy right here. So this would be considered an anti-aging product. Consider it like a multivitamin for your skin. Contains vitamins A, C, and E. Vitamin A is actually what retinol is. Got a nice lightweight texture. Don't need a lot, a little bit goes a long way. Kind of looks like that, so it's going to sort of disappear into the skin right away. What's it going to do? Well, it's going to help with fine lines, wrinkles. It's going to help to protect the skin against environmental pollution, which is kind of like oxidative stress, and overall just leave your skin feeling sort of fresher, tighter, younger looking, and keep it that way if you're already like that. What else? Oh yeah, so encapsulated technology, so the ingredients are time released, very stable because the container is airless, so they're stable for a much longer period of time because they're not exposed to the air. Because vitamin A or retinol is such a potent and powerful ingredient, it's very well known as a great anti-aging ingredient because it is so powerful. First-time users can experience some sensitivity to retinol, so that's completely fine. You just need to reduce the frequency with which you use it and allow your skin to build up a tolerance. And then once you're there, then you're good. So yeah, check it out, Malin+Goetz Retinol Correcting Serum, available on our website and in the store in Vancouver too. Thanks for listening.